Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making method of a website that has just been released. I'm going to show you how you can start getting paid to click on advertisements, and I have seen some payment proof from this website, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end. And on top of that, if you stay to the end of this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can start promoting your referral links and start learning brand new money making methods like I am. And you can even talk to me personally, guys. So I'm going to show you that at the end of this video. So make sure you stay from the beginning to the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the website right here, guys, that I'm going to be showing you inside of my account, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to start to use this and my opinions of this website, guys. Of 8,108 members, and they have been paid out $568.03, and you are able to withdraw every time you get 1 cent, guys. So this is a very interesting application. I already seen a lot of payment proof from this this website alone. So it says right here, all you literally got to do is just click on ads every day. Advertisements will restart after 24 hours. You can complete offers, which I don't do myself just because they take so long for a small amount of money, and you can even refer members, guys. So I'm going to leave my link down in the comment section of this video so you can get started right away. Or guys, if you keep watching this video, I'm going to show you where you can start promoting your referral links to other people that might be interested in this website. So make sure you keep watching this, guys, because this is going to be a free method at the end of this video, so you can start promoting your referral links right now. So it says there's no need to invest money inside of this platform. How insane is that, guys? This platform is literally telling you you don't need to invest any money inside of our website. We want you to take our money for the actions that you do. So this is why this website is pretty interesting to me. So it says get paid to view ads. As a member, you'll get paid for each click that you generate by browsing our sponsors' ad. It says members benefits are innovative features from the members give them flexibility and more earnings potential. Earn up to 4 cents per click, earn up to 2 cents per referral click, advanced referral activity filter, fast payments and receiving system, multiple payment options, guys. As you can see, guys, I already have 0.007 cents inside of this account, which is not a lot at all. I have just started this application up just a couple of minutes ago. So let me show you how this actually works. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to where it says view ads, because this is going to be where we're going to start making our money. I'm going to show you some more interesting stuff, guys, so keep watching. So it says get paid to view ads. So all we got to do is just come over here and get right here, get paid to view ads, and then let the ads show up, guys. And then what you're going to do after that is just wait for the 20 seconds. So as you can see, guys, after we're done watching that for 30 seconds, we have to do 7 minus 2, which I believe is 5. So thanks for viewing this ad. So now we just got to exit out of this website and then start it up again. But look, let's see if we actually got our money from this advertisement itself. So let's go back over here to the dashboard and see if our balance changed. So we see it right here, 0.007. So look, now we're already at almost 1 cent, guys. We have just made 0.0029 cents, which is not a lot of money at all, guys, but this can be passive. So guys, if you just keep on watching this video, I'm going to show you some interesting stuff about this website that can help you out make money quicker. So just keep on watching, so we can just keep watching all of these advertisements if you want to, guys. And the cool thing about this is they upgrade levels. So the more you upgrade your level for only 20 cents right here, which is the price, you're going to be upgraded to level 1. And then once you upgrade to level 1, you're going to get 15% more profit every single month. And then right here is going to be upgraded on how much you get paid per ad per day, which is going to be 0.0010. So if you can just pay 50 cents and grow your account up to 50 cents for free, which is going to be super easy if you just keep on watching this video, because I'm about to show you how you can start getting some insane amount of referrals as time goes on. So as you can see, for 50 cents, we're going to get 22% more profit every single month, and we're going to get a 0.0036 every single day for just upgrading to level 2. And you can just look at the rest if you would like to. to. So $90 will upgrade you to $46 a month, and will get you $1.34 every single day for just $90, which to be honest is not that bad at all. I know it's $90 investing in a platform just to be upgraded, but it's still profitable. So you can even come over here to the daily bonuses and then get a daily bonus. After clicking the banner, will show button get a bonus. So you just have to click on one of these banners real quick in order to get this bonus. So let's just click on this one real fast and just exit out. Now we can get the bonus, and then look, we just got a bonus of 0.009 cents, guys. Now there's something else that's interesting inside of this application, so let me show you that right here. So if we go to the calculators real quick, you can see that this calculator actually shows you how much money you can be receiving per speed and per profit and price, which is for the level 1. So if you watch 20 ads, I believe, at the price of level 1 and the speed of 0.001 cents a day with a profit of a monthly, and if we do 20 of those, we can get a revenue around an hour, which is going to be 0.008, which within a day would be 1 cent, almost 2 cents a day, which revenue for 30 days will be 50 cents, which revenue for 365 days, which is a year, will be $7. So if you just pay 20 cents for this level 1, which is a price, you're going to be making let's say within 30 days of 60 cents. So you just make another 40 cents profit, I believe. 40, 50, 60, yep, 40% or 40 cents profit, which, guys, we're talking with pennies. Imagine spending like $10. So if we just go back over here and just cancel out all of this, make it at 0, and let's look at the price of the $10 one. If we just grow this account to $10, look, let's just do 22. Let's do the same thing with 20. So if we watch 20 ads, I believe that's what that number is. We're going to be getting a revenue per hour, which would be 10 cents per hour. Within 24 hours, we're going to be getting almost $2.50 or 60 cents. Within 30 days, you're going to be getting a profit of revenue for $77, guys. $77 in 30 days of a investment of $10. But you don't have to invest in this website. You can just grow your account to $10, buy the level 5, buy the level 4, buy the level 3, or whatever you want to buy. Just come over here to the calculator, calculate it to see if it works. And this is all free money. This is all no investments. You just grow your account, which I'm going to be doing on this application. And guys, this is a brand new application, so I have no idea how long this app would be up and running, but just keep it going, keep making money, guys, on here. As you can see right here, guys, I just got through creating this Discord a couple of days ago, and I'm trying to drive some traffic to this, which I already have a total of 27 or 33 members, guys. How crazy is that? If you want to join in on this Discord, because I recently just given away a free $5 and just out of nowhere, guys. So if you want to start getting some free money for doing absolutely nothing but just joining the Discord and learning about different money making methods, like right here, let's talk. You can see my video right here, guys, which is a really funny one, because this was my advertisement whenever I was in wholesaling houses or real estate. When I made an advertisement, and this was like a couple of years ago when I was into selling real estate, and I just was motivated, and this was like pretty much my first video I ever made on camera and actually showed another human being or human beings at that, guys. So I was kind of shy inside of this video, but it's a really cool one, and I'm starting to show you guys more and more about me and more about how my brain works and different money making tactics and methods. And on top of that, guys, Virus has recently just got a couple of referrals on some of his actual links that he's been posting inside of this Discord as well. So Virus, I really appreciate you joining in. And on top of that, guys, this Nadav, I really appreciate you as well, man. I really appreciate you as well, and thank you guys for actually joining in on this Discord and starting to grow this community. I'm going to start giving away a lot of money on Discord itself once the community starts to grow. And even on top of that, guys, I want to let you guys know about this premium up here. And the reason why I'm having a premium and I'm actually charging you guys to be a part of the premium, and it's only $10 a month, is because I'm going to literally help you guys out and the way you think, because I used to be the same way. I used to be that one person that never was so shy to make videos or so shy to actually get in contact with another person. But I have learned the ways on how to actually change my mind and learn the ways on how to actually just take action on something. And I want to help you guys out with that. If you have a business that you need help with any opinion, any help with the way your brain thinks, I'll be more than happy to help you out and tell you exactly what you need to do in order to start helping your brain change the way it thinks. Because we have all been trapped inside of like a circle from whenever we were younger and told what we need to do and what needs to be done and what bad things, and don't talk to strangers and all this other stuff, guys. But if you can change the way you think and change all the negativity that is inside your brain at the moment, anything is possible on this planet. This is a planet that is an economic planet, guys. So you can start making money. Money is unlimited. The Federal Reserve just keeps on printing money, guys. Printing money. That means money is just everywhere. And if we are all here and wanting to make money, guys, I'm going to be the person to help you out, because I am still in that transition to being wealthy. I am still in transition on changing my brain, but I have learned a lot. I've been studying for almost 6 or 7 years on how the brain thinks, of different money making methods, on real estate, on how your credit score works or how the credit system works, on different stuff, guys. So that's only $10 a month. And if you do not like the information that I'm giving you, go ahead and just cancel the subscription. It's fine with me. I'm just here to help a group of people out to get started in their life, to get started in their future. So make sure you click on the link down in the comment section of this video and in the description if you are interested in joining the Discord and being a part of this growing community, because I'm going to keep on growing this community as much as it takes in order to get a lot of people helping out each other, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.